What's the meaning of battering ram? Battering ram. Battering ram.
Battering ram. Battering ram. A battering ram is a heavy object used to break down doors, gates, and other barriers during a military siege or police raid. It typically consists of a large wooden or metal beam with a pointed end, which is swung back and forth by a group of people to create momentum before striking the target. Battering rams were commonly used in ancient times, but modern versions have been developed for law enforcement and military use. They can also be used metaphorically to describe a forceful tactic or approach to achieving a goal, such as a company using aggressive marketing strategies to break into a new market.